In the Payroll Hub, you can organize your periods, team members, and payouts. For each period, you can see all of the payouts associated with it, as well as in the team member. Let's say you want to add a new team member. Let's click here from the quick action section. From here, you can add a photo by dragging some file here. And then you can add also bank details like Philippine Bank, account number or account name, then account number. And let's add the name as well. Now let's say you want to add new payout for Sev. Let's do it by clicking on the new payout inside of that page, team member page. Clicking here will add a new record below. Let's add the amount, period, and if you have an attachment as a proof of the transactions, you can add here. As you can see, it's automatically renamed using Notion automations by the date and the name of the team member. Now, let's say you want to add a new period instead. There will be details inside of this page, and you can add the date. Let's say it's already May 31. Notion automations will kick in and display it here on the name. The same as in the team member page, you can click on the button here to add a new payout. Let's add 100. And again, it will automatically populate the payout date. Now, in the main dashboard, you can see all of the periods for each year. And then there's also a chart to monitor the transactions, the total payouts for each month or each period. Below are all of your payouts, and you can set it to status, either it's already actual or just an estimate. Lastly, all of your databases are on the left side for easy organization. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope this Payroll Hub template helps you.